Hello, my name is Ian, and today we will be learning how to solve the Skewb X-treme. Now, basically, this is just a Skewb with center permutation, so we don't know the exact number of permutations, but Skewb permutations times center orientation. Now, this is a very easy puzzle, but you do need to know how to solve a Skewb and sledgehammer, which is a pretty easy move to learn. Now, for most people, knowing when it's solved can be kind of hard, but basically, you gotta look and you see how all three of these are green. All three of those are purplish pinkish, and then all those colors are matching. And we can tell because of the center orientation. But these pieces can be flipped, and you will be able to tell that it's not solved because these triangles won't be full. Now, telling if it's solved can be kind of difficult, but right now you can see this is not solved because this does not match this does not match this. So these pieces need to be flipped, these pieces need to be flipped so that we can make it solved. So let's do that. You will learn this algorithm later, but the algorithms for this puzzle are very tedious, so be prepared. And now it's solved. So all these match, all of these match, and they're matching this diamond shape. These triangles matching the diamond. That's how you tell if it's solved. Now let's scramble the cube. Now that the Skewb is scrambled, let's solve it just like a regular Skewb. Alright, so I'm just going to do that real quick. Please forgive me, I'm not that fast at Skewb. That would be Grant. He is amazing. Oh hey, look at that. There we go. It's solved like a Skewb, since all the x's are made, but we need to flip some of the centers. These are some of the common cases that you can find on the Skewb X-treme, where these two centers need to flip, which is basically turning them 180 degrees. FUBD, where these two need to flip, these two need to flip. Up, down, UD, these will flip. Up, front, left, right. And basically, we're going to learn an algorithm that will flip these two pieces and flip these two pieces. But our main goal is to get to this case, where these and these need to flip, so we can just get it all done. Let's learn that algorithm. Alright, so this is the algorithm. It will flip this center, this center, this center, and this center. Or if you do it 3 times, it will swap these two and swap these two. So, it's very easy to memorize. Let's do it. So, 1, 2, 3. So you see it swapped these two and these two. 1, 2. Oh boy. 3. And now we have solved it. Okay, so this is the FU case. It is the hardest case that I could find. Well, one of the hardest, most common cases, so I think it is named appropriately. Alright, so let's fix it. So we have the flipped sides on up and front. So first we're going to do that algorithm 6 times. 3, 4, 5, and 6. That will flip these two, and now these two are flipped, which is the up-down case, so 2 birds, 1 stone. So we're going to have up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will flip this one and this one. So this side is now correct. These two need to be flipped, and these two need to be flipped, which is our up, front, left, right case. So 3 birds, 1 stone. Now let's perform the algorithm that will switch those 4 sides. So 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Now it was solved. This is the FUBD case, where these two will flip, these two will flip, all of them need to flip. It's actually easier than the FU case, so let's just quick do that. So we have one of the two. Well, it doesn't matter how you do this as long as the not flip sides are on the right and left, so it doesn't matter. So let's do the long, very, very long algorithm. So that's 3. Here we go. And there. So that will flip these two, and now these two need to be flipped, and these two need to be flipped, which is the up, front, left, right case. So here we go. Once more. Bippity boppity boop. There we go, now it's solved. You could find yourself in a case that we didn't list here, but you really should just be able to use intuition. So, like, if I flip these two, these two, these two, where will I be after that? Is that one of the cases that we enlisted? If so, do the algorithms for that, and yeah, so just try to use intuition. If the sledgehammer times 6 is hard to remember, we have an easier algorithm that you can use, and that is literally just right prime, left, right prime, left. And you just do this till the sides are switched, and I kind of just tell that when the X center is next to all the X whites, and then that's my signal to know when I'm done. I don't really know how many times you do this, but it's a lot. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you can solve your Skewb X-treme now. This puzzle is $20 at thecubicle.us, so if you don't already have it, I definitely recommend buying it. Thanks for watching. If you have a puzzle that you would like to see a tutorial on next, please comment that below, and we will see you in the next video.